This guy said that this is a full strip view, and you can see that there's some construction going on there. And these are the pools. I'm on the 57th floor. There are 58 floors total. There's the Hilton, this is the Conrad, and then the Crockfords. So I'm at the Conrad at Resorts World. I will be using the pool later. And just check out this view. Love it. I don't think I've stayed in a hotel this high before. You can see the Venetian over there. Trump Hotel, Wynn, Encore, Palazzo, Treasure Island. Hi friends, it's me, Simply Sherry. I am here in Vegas. Today I'm going to show you a hotel room tour of the Conrad at Resorts World here on the Strip. And we drove from Phoenix, took about 5 hours with a couple stops. And let me show you this beautiful room. All right, so when you enter, here is the closet. Let me show that to you first. And when you open the door, the light turns on. Okay, got your typical ironing board, laundry service, a couple nice hangers there for nicer clothing, 2 very nice robes, the luggage rack. You can see the flooring here. And up here, I believe are slippers. Let me try to do this with one hand. Okay. All right, nice and comfy. Love it. All right, let's close the door, nice handles. This is a 5-star hotel. And then this is the entryway. You can see the full-length mirror that is wide. Okay, and then you have the bathroom there and the mini bar. We'll get to the bathroom. Nice decor. And then here, when you remove it from the tray more than 30 seconds, they're going to charge you. Okay, so you have some gummies here, sour gummies, some nuts, trail mix, some gummy bears, chocolate covered almonds, peanut M&Ms, roasted and salted cashews. They have this, some water, wine, and a charging kit. And then you have your tray, which is great. You could bring it to the table or the bed. A couple wine glasses, the ice tongs, ice bucket. Okay. Down here is the refrigerator that's fully stocked. Same idea. If you lift something up more than 30 seconds, they will charge you. They got a good variety here, soda, beer, some hard liquor, Red Bull, some more wine, some tequila back there. I think this is vodka, yes, Belvedere. I love this. Maybe I should do my beverage cooler reorganization back at home, okay? And then, oh, this is a little off. Okay, and then here, you have another fridge to put your stuff in, which is great, because I do have a few things. All right, then over here you have some counter space, and then some shelves, whether to put bags, or if maybe you have some food you want to put there. And this is what the area looks like from here. I mean, the place is, it's big. All right, so here we have a large TV. It looks like a 60-inch, I'm not sure. Okay, nice wallpaper, yeah. So you got this different wallpaper here, a different one. The nice paintings. Here's another luggage rack, or you may not want to sit on it because it has those bumps. You could put your another bag under there, or some shoes. You have the remote control. Here's your large trash can. It's pretty big. Okay, I love this. What a beautiful dresser. Oh, here's the safe. Okay, that's nice. Versus being in the closet. because not everyone uses the drawers. Okay. Oh, and it's a soft close. Okay. Nice. Then here, look at that nice floor lamp. Another nice painting. There is the large window. 2 chairs and a table. Let's look at the chairs. Nice leather, and then this is material with the gold. Nice table. And you can see here, there's just a lot of space. And here's the carpet. Nice carpet. Okay, now the bed area. You got the lamps here, an outlet, USB port, USB-C, of course the phone, your pen and paper, and a little shelf here to put your stuff. Okay, look at the painting. I love that. That's really, it's like it's blowing in the wind. Okay, then you got a little settee here. Let's see how comfortable this is. Oh, that's nice. Then you come back around here. Look at all this space. So it's pretty much the same here on this side, but with the clock and your wireless charger. Okay, same outlet, USB, USB-C. Oh, here's the light switch. Okay. And then the light switch for this lamp. Same exact table on this side. Okay, I love a good bed, nice pillows. Okay, so they have a softer one and then a little bit harder one. So that's what I've noticed these hotels have, the 4 stars and above. Okay, and this is a king premium room. Okay, nice bed. Okay, let's head to the bathroom. You can see it's a larger door with 2 hooks there, and you walk in for the light switch. You got a rain shower. Love it. Huge bath, walk-in shower. With a bench, a couple towels. There's the mat. Love it. Got a handlebar here. So the suites, he told me, he was trying to upgrade me to a suite. And I was just like, I can't do it. I have another trip next week. Anyway, he said the suites have bathtubs, but the regular rooms, the standard rooms like this, do not. And I was like, that's completely okay with me. Look at the tile. 3 different types of tile here, and it completely works. Barredo, Mojave Ghost body wash, hair conditioner, hair shampoo. So you've got the rain shower up there, and then you've got the handheld shower here, and the control there. All right. Okay, let's move to this side of the bathroom. Look at the vanity, just beautiful, with that pop of red. Okay. So you got the mirror here, probably with a light. Yeah, here. Okay, then you got your box of tissue, double sink. Okay, got your little face towels here, hand wash, body lotion. Oh, hair nets or hair shower caps. That's really cute. That is a great idea. I might have to do that in my guest room with little padded feet so it doesn't slide. Here's a second sink, and then a real plant. Let's see how the faucet works. Okay, yeah, you push it out. Cold, hot. Beautiful mirror. And then the toilet is in the little toilet room with frosted glass. I love that. Give you some privacy. Okay, nice picture there. Good space. Place to put your cell phone. Extra toilet paper. Okay. See it from there. Okay, so let's close this. Oh, and then the two mats there on the floor. And it looks like this. I hope you enjoyed this room tour of the Conrad at Resorts World here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Let me know in the comments below if you would stay in a hotel like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.